Hey guys, today we're looking at a 2017 Harley-Davidson Street Bob. This one is in vivid black. This is a really clean bike. All of the chrome looks really well maintained, even the spokes on the rims. We've got a couple really cool details. We have the Harley-Davidson pegs for the rider peg and the highway. We have the solo seat. All the chrome on the exhaust is really clean. The pegs and the shifter match from the other side. Got the blacked out primary and derby. Got the Harley grips as well. And miles are 4,811. Got super clean, really well taken care of. Come check it out. Come ride it. We are open for test rides 6 days a week.